the earthquake. Okay, so we will shake the whole screen, but not the HUD. So this, okay, wait, then end jump. Okay, we have to time it exactly when Big Thief lands on the ground. Okay, so how do we shake the whole screen? Okay, to do that, let's get the animation manager. Okay, and since the enemy script is created through a prefab, we cannot drag and drop the reference, but we have to get it from the registry. Okay, animation manager dot shake. Oh, okay, I have not created the method yet. So let's go to the animation manager. Okay, and create a new method for the shaking of the screen. Okay, shake screen. Okay, so in our animation manager, we will get all the things that we have to shake and shake them. Okay, the first that we have to shake is the, or actually the only things that we have to shake are the platforms. Okay, so that means our animation manager must be linked with our platform manager. Oh, okay. Okay, I need to set it as public. Okay, so here it is. And because my laptop only has 2 USB ports, okay, currently one is for the mic and one is for the tablet. I'm not using my mouse, so a quick way of, instead of doing drag and drop, a quick way of linking the platform manager and the animation script, or if you just want to link 2 different scripts together, just use the search. Okay, or sometimes it even suggests for you the script to link. Okay, so where can we get all our tiles? Let's see. Okay, we have our platforms. Okay, so we can get our tiles from our platforms. Okay, platform count equals to platform manager dot. Okay, and for each platform there are a number of tiles. Oh wait. Okay, so for each tile in the platform, we will shake it. Okay, and how do we shake it? Okay, a usual shake animation might be something like, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there are 4 positions. Each tile will have to move to 4 different positions before moving back to its original position. So that means we need 4 vectors that can be created from 4 different offsets from the original position. Okay, so get each platform, get each tile from each platform. Randomly decide 4 vector points to move the tile to common before moving it back to original position. So that means we need to get the original position first. So vector 2 original position equals to transform dot position and since this is a shake animation, that means there has to be a small delay between each position before it moves to the various positions. Okay, so that means I need to create a coroutine. Wait, then shake to position. Okay, the tile and the position. Okay, copy and paste this. Okay, because that's how lazy I am. Okay, float time. Okay, so there is a function we can use in Unity, and I believe it's called loop. So basically it moves a game object from one point to another point. Okay, so from and to. So we need a current position and next position. Okay, so how do we use? Okay. So it returns another vector too, which means that okay, but if I'm not wrong, you cannot control how fast it goes, so you have to manually do the speed instead. Okay, which is still okay. So what we can do here is new or rather vector 2. Since it returns a vector 2, you can call loop here from current position to next position, and t might be the speed at which it goes. So t, maybe we can try 0.1. Okay, so we can call the coroutine here. Wait, then shake position. So maybe this is, maybe for the first position, Okay, we'll give it a 0 delay. And for the second and third, fourth, we'll give it more and more delay. Okay, so before this, we need to get the 4 random positions. Okay, so vector 2, position 1 goes to new vector 2 dot x plus random dot range. Okay, let's see, 0.1 to 0.5. Or is it too much? Okay, let's try that instead. 0.1, 0.5. Okay, so we will do the same thing for the second, third, and fourth positions. Okay, original position to the first position. Okay, so this is the first shake, or rather the first moving. Two, three. Okay, and from position 1 we'll move to position 2. From position 2 we'll move to position 3. And from position 3 we'll move to position 4. Okay, and lastly we'll move it back to the original position. Okay, 0.5 might be too huge a distance. Okay, let's try 0. Okay. Float minimum distance 0.25, max 0.35. Okay, so that if we want to change the minimum and maximum for the random range, we can just change it here. Okay, let's set the minimum as minus 0.35 instead. Okay, so that the range is goes 360 degrees. Okay, so that should be it for the shaking. Even though we have no idea that it works, so we have to test it. Okay, just a little bit more mana. Okay, and let's go to the boss stage. So if this works, when it jumps, whoa. Okay, so the shaking works, but the whoa. Okay, this is rather cool. Even though it didn't go back to its original position. Okay, so it did not go back to its original position. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 45. Okay. Oh, okay. So this should be 1.0 instead. That was not what we want, even though that was rather cool. Okay, so let's test. Okay, now that we have changed the third parameter for lerp to 1.0 instead. So I guess the third parameter might not be the time, or rather the percentage from the starting to the end position. Okay. Okay, let's see if the jumping works or the shake animation works now. Okay, if it works, okay, it works, but the shaking was too severe. So okay, so seems like the effect that we got on the first test was pretty cool. So shifting platforms, I might add it as a feature in a future stage, but not for now. Not at the moment, I would say. Maybe in a bonus or special stage, it could be a very cool game mechanic as well. Okay, by the way, I think I also have to shake the walls surrounding the stage. So let's do that. Okay, so another way of doing this, tiles to shake. Go to new array list. Okay, tiles to shake dot add each tile. So I need to get the walls as well. So top, bottom, left and right. Okay. Okay. So top more tiles dot count. Okay, or is there a way for me to add? What is inside the array list? Okay, to array. Nope. Okay, seems like I can't do that. So let's do it the long-winded way. Okay, but after we are done it the first time, we can just copy and paste because I'm lazy. Top more tiles. Okay, tiles to shake dot add e tile. Top more tiles. Okay, this might not be the best way of doing it, but it is a quick and dirty way of doing it.